Did you know you could earn up to $1,000 free money just by doing airdrops? Hello everyone, it's Newman here and you're welcome back to my channel. So there is a new airdrop opportunity out there. It's called the Reveel protocol. Okay, and they are similar to the Akam. If you have heard of the Akam airdrop, the Reveel is also backed by Binance Labs, which was similar to the Akam airdrop. If you check Binance right now, you can see that the Akam airdrop is topping the list of the newly released or newly launched tokens, right? And so for this video, I'm going to show you guys how to actually qualify for the Reveel airdrop. But before I go ahead, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. If you are not subscribed, hit the subscribe button right now and also give this video a like so that YouTube can recommend it to others. Thank you guys. With that said, let's get right into it. So all you need for this airdrop is just your email address and also your wallet address. So I'll just go ahead and input my email address here. And for the wallet, there are two ways. You can actually connect your wallet to it, or you can manually input your Ethereum address as well. I recommend you do it manually. So to do that, you simply open your Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet, right? I'll use Trust wallet for this video. So on your dashboard, you click on the Ethereum below. Make sure it is Ethereum you are using and tap on receive, and you can see various options below, but you copy the address and then you go back to the website and then you simply paste your Ethereum wallet address. Make sure it is Ethereum. So when you click on join, you'll be asked to verify whether you're a human or a bot. Okay, it's also a simple process. And boom, so you have just earned 30 points and you've qualified for the Reveel airdrop. Now if you want to increase your points, you can see below, you have some link down below. You just click on copy and also you share it to your friends as invite links. Okay, so don't forget to use my link as well. I'll leave a link in the description below. And thank you guys for watching. Yet of course, if you face any difficulties or you're unable to do it, just comment in the comment section below and I'll be sure to guide you with it. You can also join my Telegram group and text me. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Stay blessed.